My granny would be proud. Good old-fashioned salmon croquettes. All of these ingredients are interchangeable. You just need something to bind them together, and you need to season them, and then you need to fry them in the skillet. I used what I had in my cupboard. Those stale pretzel chips, I crushed them up as my breadcrumbs, and then I beat my egg and put it in with the salmon to bind it. Okay, so I'm going to make some salmon croquettes. I'm starting by putting this grapeseed oil in my cast iron skillet. I mix this up. Yes. I took a picture of my potion, and then I'm going to throw these potatoes in here. It's going to be amazing. Oh, I just love cast iron cooking. Look at this. This is my salmon croquettes in the middle, and then I did a tricolor potato around it. It is going to taste amazing, be delicious, and not take all morning. 15 to 20 minutes in the skillet, and that includes the time that I had the lid on, letting it smother. I put those potatoes in with it. You have to have biscuits with your salmon croquettes and a little something sweet. That's how my grandma always did it. Ooh, like, subscribe, and share. Let's make it happen.